Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the syllabus of CBSE class 12 for session 2022 and 23. In this video we will discuss which topics you have to complete and which topics are deleted. Okay, so let's discuss the marks weightage according to the units. Okay, first of all, the maximum marks means your written paper is of 80 marks. Okay, and 20 marks is your internal assessment based on the class test and the projects. So the total marks is 200 and the exam is once in a year. This year some topics are deleted, so let's discuss it one by one. First of all, we will discuss the marks weightage by unit. First unit is relations and functions. In this the weightage of marks is 8 and second is algebra. In this weightage of marks is 10 and third one is calculus. This is the highest weightage subject. Okay, next is vectors and three-dimensional geometry. The weightage of marks is 14. Now let's discuss about linear programming. The unit linear programming contains 5 marks. Okay, next is probability. Weightage of probability is 8 marks. Okay, so total written exam is of 80 marks. Now we will discuss chapter to chapter what topics are deleted and what we have to do about the chapters. Okay, so in unit 1 there are 2 chapters. First one is relations and functions, second one is inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so in relations and functions you have to do 1.1 and 1.2 completely, and the deleted topics functions are composite functions and inverse of a function. So these two topics you don't have to do. These two topics are deleted for 2022 and 23. Okay, so you don't have to do exercise 1.3 and 1.4. Okay, so next chapter is inverse trigonometric functions. In this chapter you only have to do exercise 2.1. Okay, so deleted topic of this chapter is elementary properties of inverse trigonometric functions. That means you don't have to do the exercise 2.2. But if I say this is very important topic, because in the upcoming classes you must have to know the basic knowledge of this topic. So if you have time, that you can do. So let's discuss about unit 2. In unit 2 there are 2 chapters. Chapter number 3 matrices and chapter number 4 determinants. Okay, in the chapter matrices you have to only do exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Okay, so now let's discuss about the deleted topics. Okay, first one is concept of elementary row and column operation. That means you don't have to do exercise 3.4. Okay, from the matrix topic you only have to do these 3 exercises. Okay, so let's discuss about chapter number 4. In chapter number 4 you have to do all the exercises except 4.2, because in session 2002-23 properties of determinants is discarded. This topic is deleted from chapter number 4. Now let's discuss about unit 3. In unit 3 calculus there are 2 chapters, continuity and differentiability, and second one is applications of derivatives. Okay, so in chapter 5 all the exercises you have to do 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But the deleted topics for chapter number 5 are derivatives of composite numbers, Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem, and their geometric interpretation. Okay, so these all topics are in 5.8. So let's discuss about chapter number 6, which is application of derivatives. In this all the exercises 6.1, 2, 4 and 5 you have to do, and the deleted topics are tangents and normals, which are in the exercise 6.3. So you don't have to do exercise 6.3. Okay, so next topic is use of derivatives in approximation. This topic is in exercise 6.4. So this topic is also deleted. So you don't have to do exercise 6.3 and 6.4. Now let's discuss about next topic, which is integrals. In chapter number 7, all the topics you have to do, but there is only one exercise deleted, which is exercise 7.10. Okay, the deleted topic is you don't have to do the definite integral as a limit of a sum. In which you have this type of integrals like integrals px plus q, root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. If in this type of question you have to find the definite integral, this type of question you don't have to do. So exercise 7.10 is deleted from your syllabus. Okay. All other exercises you have to do one exercise except 10th. Okay. So next is chapter 8, which is applications of the integrals. In this only you exercises 8.1 and 8.2. Okay, you only have to do exercise 8.1. Okay, so 8.2 is deleted because the deleted topic are area between any of the two above said curves, means in which you have to find the area between two curves. These topics are deleted, so you don't need to do exercise 8.2. Now let's discuss about chapter number 9, differential equations. Okay, in this chapter, deleted topics are formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. You don't have to do this exercise 9.3. Except 9.3, you have to do all the exercises 9.1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so next chapter is chapter number 10, vectors. In this you have to do all the exercises 10.1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but the deleted topic is scalar triple product of vectors, which is in exercise 10.5. So you don't have to do exercise 10.5. Now let's discuss about chapter number 11, three-dimensional geometry. In this topic, the deleted topics are coplanar lines, Cartesian and vector equation of a plane, Cartesian and vector equation of a plane, angle between two planes, a line and a plane, and distance of a point and a plane. All these topics are in exercise 11.3. So from chapter 11, 11.3 is deleted. So you only have to do exercise 11.1 and 11.2. Let's discuss about chapter 12, which is linear programming. In this you only have to do 12.1. There are only two exercises, 12.1 and 2. Okay, you only have to do exercise 12.1 because the topic different types of linear programming problems and the mathematical formulation of LP problems, these are deleted. These topics are in exercise 12.2. So you don't have to do exercise 12.2. Now last chapter is chapter number 13, probability. In this only deleted topic is variance of random variable, which is in exercise 13.5. So you don't have to do exercise 13.5. You only have to do exercise 13.1, 2, 3 and 4. So this video is totally based on the CBSE pattern. So the deleted topics are many important topics. So if you are preparing for competition exams like IIT, JEE, NEET, then you can prepare the whole topics. So thanks for watching.